All right, I'm going to show within 2 minutes or less, maximum 5 minutes, how to set up WordPress on your domain. Now I already did one right now, so I'm not going to go deep into it. I have a hosting cPanel hosting server, which I have a lot of websites on. I'm going to do a subdomain, quick subdomain, which I can use to install the website in a minute. And so please pay attention. I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to say WordPress, and then I choose the domain I want to host it on. Let me just choose one of the random ones I have here. Yeah, butlink.com. WordPress.butlink.com. That will be the name of the domain. Now there's an installer here, applications installer, which I just click and then I'm able to install WordPress on it. Easy as that. I just choose WordPress from here because there's quite a lot of applications you can actually install on your domain, but I'm doing WordPress, so I choose that out, and then I choose the WordPress.butlink.com domain. Now I don't need anything extension after the directory. I'm going to do the login details. Choose a password which is very strong and confirm it. And I don't need to change the admin mail because that's my email. But you need to change the weblog title. All right, so let me just call it WordPress setup training, and then yeah, click install, and WordPress will be installed in 2 seconds or just 5 seconds, or this is just 10 seconds. Yeah, maximum 15 seconds. What I'm trying to say is it's quick. It does all the databases, everything is set up whilst it's loading like this, set up already. How long did it take? 15 minutes, 15 seconds. So yeah, this is the WordPress website, WordPress setup training, WordPress setup training. And it is done. What you need to do to log in to almost every WordPress setup is to add WP -admin to the end of the domain, and it will give you the login page, which goes like this. And you can actually log in. So yeah, now I'm in the dashboard. That is the back end of the dashboard. What I normally do is to go to the plugins and update every plugin that is there that I need already. Normally I use Akismet. Akismet is one of the most powerful, using WordPress is more like, it's very loose when it comes to security. But Akismet, thankfully, is able to secure your website for you. And you can get an API key from here, which they have a free one, and some of them are for sale. I wouldn't encourage you to buy anything until you're making real money online. So use a free one. I have one already, so I just upload it and I use the key. And then it is done. The next thing, once it is finished, I will tell you the next thing to do. Okay, it's done. The next thing is to go to the permalinks. The permalinks is the normal one that is set up on it already. It's not a very clean one. It has the question mark, P = sign, and some numbers at the end. But you want to use one that is nice, like this one. This one is a date one and a name of sample post. Say, for instance, if you're writing a post the posts will be will come up here. But I like to use just the post name. It makes it quite simple, and then it's done. The next thing is to change, because we're doing a website. We go to discussion, and then you untick all these ones, because all these ones are for blogs actually, when people comment, and people can backlog and all that, backlink and all that. So I don't need that for a website. So I just save it like that. And then the next thing is to go to general in the settings. The general settings is important, because as you have WordPress setup training here, you can also choose a tagline that makes it quite quite fun. And it also shows in the it shows in your search engine optimization as well. So it's quite good for you to have a good tagline that people can maybe search it online, So I just want to use this one, the easiest way to set up WordPress. And then that's it. We go and do save changes. Our website is almost up. What next? We need to have a theme. We need to have a nicer looking theme than the one that is automatically populated in it. Normally they give you some like 2014, 2015. These are names of 2016. These are names of themes that have been uploaded automatically. So you want to change it slightly, just slightly, not too much, by choosing a theme. These themes are all free in a WordPress depository. So you do you type maybe something you fancy, like business theme, any theme that has a business kind of approach may look good. So you just choose one of them, and yeah, and you're in business elite. Let me see, maybe this one might just work nicely. It will be loading for some time, then you click on activate. When it's done, activate. And our website should be looking good even from right now. I go to visit the site and check how the site has come up, and it quite looks all right. I can actually charge my client for this page, for this thing I've done. And how long did it take? Few seconds, few minutes. Thank you for watching, and I will come again with another tip.